Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, from everyday cooking to compact storage and even your next adventure. We're talking about the CAROTE 27-piece ceramic cookware set in a sleek dark gray. Now, 27 pieces sounds like a lot, and it is, but the real magic here lies in its design and functionality. Let's start with the heart of any good cookware, the nonstick coating. CAROTE boasts a ceramic nonstick surface, and from my testing, it lives up to the hype. Cooking with minimal oil is genuinely possible, which is fantastic for anyone looking to make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor or ease. Eggs slide around, delicate fish release without a struggle, and stir-fries don't cling stubbornly to the bottom. This ceramic coating is also touted as being non-toxic, free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. For families, or anyone concerned about chemicals leaching into their food, this is a significant selling point, offering peace of mind with every meal. The cleanup aspect is just as impressive. The ultra-smooth surface means most food residue wipes away with a simple sponge, and for those tougher bits, the entire set is dishwasher safe. This is a huge time saver, especially after a long day or a big meal. No one enjoys scrubbing pots and pans, so having this option available is a definite win. Now, let's talk about what truly sets this set apart, the detachable handles. This feature is a game changer for storage. When you stack these pots and pans, the removable handles allow them to nest incredibly tightly, saving up to 70% more storage space. If you live in a smaller apartment, a dorm room, or even if you just appreciate a clutter-free kitchen, this is a massive advantage. Beyond just storage, these handles allow the cookware to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven, and then directly to your dining table. Imagine cooking a gratin on the stove, transferring it to the oven to bake, and then serving it directly from the same dish. It minimizes dishes and simplifies the cooking process considerably. The set itself is incredibly comprehensive. You get a range of fry pans from 8 to 12 inches, saucepans in 1.5, 3, and 4-quart sizes, a 4-quart sauté pan with a lid, and a 4.5-quart stockpot with its own lid. To top it off, there's a universal lid that fits multiple pots, 2 trivets to protect your surfaces, 2 of those crucial detachable handles, and a generous array of kitchen utensils including a fish turner, solid turner, ladle, tongs, and a potato masher. And to keep everything protected during storage, 7 pan protectors are included. This is a full suite of cookware and accessories designed to cover almost every cooking need. The inclusion of trivets and pan protectors is a thoughtful touch, adding to the overall value. Of course, no product is perfect, and we should consider the potential downsides. While the non-stick coating is excellent for everyday cooking, for extremely high heat searing or prolonged use in very demanding culinary applications, some professional chefs might prefer cast iron or stainless steel. The durability of any non-stick coating over the long term can also be a concern, though CAROTE does back this set with a service guarantee and promises a satisfying solution if you receive a defective item. The sheer number of pieces might also be overwhelming for someone who only needs a few basics. However, for those who appreciate having a variety of tools at their disposal, this is a strength. The RV and camping cookware aspect is also worth mentioning. The space-saving design and the ability to go from campfire to table make this a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The durability under those conditions would be something to monitor, but the concept is certainly appealing. In conclusion, the CAROTE 27-piece ceramic cookware set is a remarkably versatile and well-thought-out collection. It excels in its non-stick performance, its healthy cooking credentials, and especially its space-saving design. Thanks to the detachable handles. The extensive set of accessories further enhances its value proposition. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, simplify your storage, or embark on culinary adventures both at home and on the go, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.